Welcome to ThingWorx video tutorial series, and in this video we will show how to import and display media entity. There are multiple ways to upload or import the media entity into ThingWorx. First, we can start typing in a spotlight up top plus media and then click on the media entity. Or in the Explorer, we can go to media and then click on the green plus sign. We have to give it a unique name. Description and tags fields are optional. Then we will click on Change next to the image and we'll choose the file that we would like to upload. For the purpose of this example, I will choose our ThingWorx logo. As you can see, the image was uploaded here. Then we'll save it. Now to display it, we will start a new mashup. Leave it default, and then we will select the widget image. Now in the properties of our widget on the source URL, we will click on the picker, and with the picker we can either add the image from here, or we will select the one we just created called media1, and we can see it appeared in our mashup. We'll quickly save our mashup. And now we can view it. This concludes the video on how to import and display media.